I'm just about to reveal to you one of the strategies I used to make such amount right now with CPA marketing in just a single day right now. And with this strategy right here, we're actually going to be leveraging the United States demographic to drive traffic to our offer in a very free and amazing manner right now. And the strategy which I'm going to show you right here is 100% free, like I said, and also a beginner friendly one. Can be done from any location out there in the world. You don't need any social media following, any website to do this. You can do this right here just by watching this video. And if you're new to my channel, guys, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with the help of other AI tools. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right there. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help boost your income online. So diving right ahead into the video right here, you just want to take a look at this right here. This is an amazing landing page which I created with the help of a very cool and amazing platform right now called the Google site right here. It's a landing page builder site you can take advantage of right now. And this site right here can actually be accessed for absolutely free. You could also utilize the systeme.io or any other landing page builder sites out there because they are quite numerous right now. And you want to use that to create a simple landing page such as this. And these landing pages are actually linking to CPA marketing offers on CPA Grip. So what you want to do to learn how to create a simple landing page is to just simply check out my channel right now. If you're on my channel, click on this search icon and you want to just simply type in landing page. If you do type in landing page and click on enter, you'll be able to see some cool videos I created for you that can help you go into creating simple landing pages using the help of some cool platforms right here. As you can see, with this one you could create a high converting landing page that could earn you up to $500 per day. With this, you can create a landing page right now with the systeme.io. You could also create a Google site right now, systeme.io, and a lot more other platforms right now. So what you want to do right here is to check out those videos right there and actually utilize those videos to help you create simple landing pages right now. So basically, you want to just simply go onto a CPA marketing platform like CPA Grip. If you don't have an account, click on register. You're brought to this page. Provide your basic details on all filled with the red asterisk signs to actually get your account created. Once your account has been created, you want to log back into your account. So while back into the account right here, come onto this page by clicking on offer tools. Select my offers. You should be brought to this page right now and filter the offers to the United States only. So once you do that right there, you'll be able to see only offers available to the United States demographic, and you can just simply keep on scrolling through. You could see a lot of cool offers right now. This is an amazing one that is giving you about $10,000 worth of cash right now if you are actually the lucky winner. And for you to actually gain access to that, or for my leads, they need to actually be using an Apple iOS device and submit their email address or zip code while staying in the United States, and I actually get paid some cool cash for doing so. So what you want to do right now is to just simply copy the link right here if you actually want to promote the landing page. As you can see, your leads need to be using an Apple iOS device to be submitting their email address or zip code while using this your affiliate link, and you do get paid $2.22 for every successful lead you get to the offer. So copy the link, go on to creating a simple landing page like I showed you earlier right now. This is a simple landing page which I can see right here, and this was created in not less than 5 minutes right now. It is quite easy to do so right here. You want to just simply check out my videos like I said earlier to go on to learning how to create simple landing pages right now. So once that has actually been done right there, and you've created an amazing landing page right there, and the offers are actually linked to the landing page, come onto the home section right now and actually go on to copying the link to the landing page. Once you copy the link, go onto a new tab, and in that new tab right here, you want to just simply type in something like USA free ads. And if you do type in something like this right now, guys, you need to just simply make this quite closer. As you can see, it says the US free ads. If you do put in something like this, click on the first option which will be shown to you right here, as you can go on to posting ads to the United States for absolutely free. As you can see, you could do the US free ads, the free classified, and the free classified ads also. So right here, what you want to do is to click here to the post or to post free ads, and you want to just simply follow these basic procedures right here, which you'll be asked of to go on to fill in these details right here. The first thing which you actually need to do is to insert a very cool title right now. And for that title right here, I'm first of all going to head back to this page, copy this title right now, and I may just simply need to use that exact same title. So right here, I'm going to paste in the title right now, and I'm just going to edit this right now. Enter now for an opportunity to win $10,000 right now. So if you put in something like this right here, this actually indicates an urgency for people to go on to doing that right now, so that they can actually go on to standing the chance of winning that particular amount, and you also make some cool cash with CPA marketing. So once you do come right here to the description section, make sure you actually leave a detailed description right now for that particular CPA offers which you intend on promoting right there. And once that has actually been done, you could go onto the add image. You could right click on that particular image right here and save the image on your device. Once the image has actually been saved right now, head back to this platform, click on choose file right here, and you want to just simply go into selecting the image right now. So if you do select the image, as you can see right now, I've selected the image and the image has been added right here. You also want to put in the related link or URL, which will be the link to that particular landing page you created earlier. So paste in the link right here. You also want to paste in the link in the description section right now. And maybe in some cases the link might actually be lengthy. You may actually need a link shortener website like the tinyurl.com right here to come onto this platform. Paste in that link right now. Rather, I'm going to go back to my landing page to copy the link to the landing page, head back to this platform and actually paste in that particular link. Once I paste in the link, click on shorten URL. I will get a new shorter version of that particular lengthy URL to utilize right now. So I'm going to copy the new URL and actually go on to utilizing that in the promotion of this CPA marketing offer right now. So you want to just simply paste that in this section right here. So if you paste that right here, select a cool category for the offer that actually fits into that right here. As you can see, the categories are quite numerous right now. So what I'm going to do is to select one very cool one right here. So guys, basically because these are sweepstake offers, they can go for almost all categories right now, because all individuals right here are actually looking for cool giveaways such as that. So select a cool category that actually suitable to you. You can then go on to targeting a specific city, a specific state, and fill out other sections right here to your preference right now. Once you do fill out those sections, you can submit this, and this particular ad will be posted right here on this platform for absolutely free. And for anybody that watches that and are interested in getting access to that particular cash right there, you just simply have to click on the link to go on to completing some offers. So this is quite cool right now. Leverage this simple strategy to make money online right now on this platform called the usnetads.com. So utilize this particular strategy and make money with CPA marketing. If the video did add any value to you, make sure you do come right here, and you want to just simply type in smash the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. So that's it for now guys. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.